Okay, you get a call from your agent. Here are some of the things that I think you should do. I think it's a great thing for you to actually have a pad by the phone so that you can ask them these questions, because I'm going to give you a lot of tips. I'm going to give you a lot of tits. Okay. Okay. So you get a call from your agent. You have an audition. Here are the things that you should be asking your agent. You should actually keep a list by the phone. I think that would be a good idea to make this list, because you're going to be asking them several questions. The first one is, who am I auditioning for? Make sure that you keep a list of all the people that you've met in this town. I think it's a really good idea to keep a Bible, literally a working diary of all your meetings and all the people that are in the room and everyone that you've met that day. And this will serve you really well down the line when you are, let's say you're looking for a new agent, and your agent says, well, who do you know? Who have you met? And you have this long list of all the people that you've been in rooms with, all the people that are your fans. It's a great idea. But also you can use it, you can put notes like, in this audition today, I wore this and I had good feedback, and these are some of the things that I did, so that when you do get your call back, you're going to have this shorthand of all your notes in your diary. The second thing you should ask is, what am I auditioning for? There are so many different genres. Is it a sitcom? Is it a pilot? Is it 3 camera? Is it 1 camera? Is it a feature film? Your acting style is going to be very different on a Tony Scott movie, for instance, than on a sitcom. So you need to know what the actual genre of the film is. I think it's a really good idea for any actor to do your homework, and I'm going to be talking a lot about homework today. Do your homework, meaning you should probably watch 1 or 2 shows of every show that's on television these days. So when you get a call for an audition for that show, you're going to know the style of that show. You're going to know the actors that are on it. You're going to have to know that so that you can fit into that world seamlessly and be believable. What role am I auditioning for? Make sure you find out as many details as you possibly can about this role. If there's a breakdown, get a copy of the breakdown. Sometimes your agent is being a little bit lazy and they just give you a minute amount of details. And I think the more you push and the more you ask, the more it's going to help you in the long run. What level of audition is this? Is it a pre-read? Is it a general? Is it your basic audition? Is it a callback? Is it a chemistry read? Is it a play date? There's so many different kinds of auditions that you can go on, and I think you need to know exactly what it is before you go in so that you can gauge what is expected of you.